Morning children. In the last class we have learnt about note page view and slideshow view. Today we are going to learn about presenter view. To get to presenter view in the slideshow view, in the lower left corner of the screen, now you can see a small circle with three buttons. This button is known as more slideshow option button. Click and then click slideshow presenter view. Presenter view help you to view your notes while delivering your presentation. Audience cannot see your notes when you are presenting. Now I'll show you children how to view presenter view. Slideshow on the menu bar. Then go to current slide option. Okay children, to get to the presenter view, in the view, click in the slideshow view, the lower left corner of the screen. This button is known as more slideshow option button. When you go to more slideshow option button, you can see the options in the menu bar. Hide presenter view, or if you want to view presenter view, click on presenter view. This is presenter view. Now again, if you want to go back, end of the slideshow, click on end of the slideshow. To view your notes while delivering your presentation. Audience cannot see your notes when you are presenting. Now you can do the following in presenter view. Here in this presenter view, you can do some of the following options. You can see some of the options over here. We can go to previous slide or next slide. You can see the arrows at the bottom of the screen children. Here you can see this arrow towards the right side. This arrow is used to move to the next slide. And here you can see back arrow. This arrow will go to the back slide or previous slide. To move to the previous or next slide, click on the previous or next slide. To view all your slides in a presenter view, click see all slides. Now here you can see a small icon children. This icon is known as see all slides icon. When you click on this see all slides icon, you can see all the slides in the thumbnail form or miniature form. If you want to reorder your slides, you can reorder your slides. Now if you want to go to first one and change it to 8th one, you can change it by using reorder option. Second one. You can see children? Yes. Now if you want to view all the details in your slide, click zoom into slide and then point to the part you want to see. Now here you can see zoom icon. Click on zoom icon. Zoom icon is used to zoom into a slide. Now you can see children, by using zoom icon you can zoom the slide. Now if you want to go back, click on the zoom icon again. Okay children, now to point or write on your slide as you present, click pen and laser point tool. Now if you want to write anything on the slide, click on pen and laser pointer tool. Click on pen and laser pointer tool. Then a pop-up menu will appear. In the pop-up menu, select pen. Now you can see a small red dot. Yes, by using this you can write the text. Now here in the sun, I am going to write the sun. Write on your slide as you present, click on the pen and laser point tool. Now here you can see pen and laser point tool. By using pen and laser point tool, you can write the text on the slide. Now here you can, in the pop-up menu, you have to select pen slide. When you select pen, you can see a small dot over here, red color dot. Yes, by using this red dot, you can write the text on the slide. After writing the text, if you think that you don't want the text, you can go to pen and laser pointer tool and select eraser and erase the text.
Start.
Now we will learn how to apply a motion path to an object. To apply motion path, before you start giving motion path to the object, apply the motion path to an object. You need to add object such as picture or clip art to a slide. Choose the clip art or picture that has to be transparent background. To apply the animation effect to a smart graphics, after you add object to the slide, drag it to the location on the slide where you want to start moving from. Select the object. On the animation tab, in the animation group, click custom animation. In the custom animation task pane, click add effect motion path. Draw the custom path and drag custom path and click and scribble. Note the pointer become a pen. Start at the clip art or other objects. Draw the path that you want your object to follow on the slide and then click where the object should stop moving. Now I'll show you children how to give motion path to an object.
Start.
Now first we need to add an object or picture. Now to insert a picture, go to insert tab and select picture option. Then picture dialog box opens. Here in picture dialog box there is a school folder open and select airplane and insert the picture. After you add object to the slide, drag it to the location on the slide where you want to start object to move from. Select and move to the place where you want to move from. Then select the object. After moving it to the location, press the left mouse button. On the animation tab, here on the animation tab, go to custom animation. In the custom animation, go to add effects. Go to the motion path. You can see children motion path. Go to motion path and draw custom path and scribble. Custom path and it will change us into the arrow and you slowly change the direction and you scribble. How do you want to move the airplane? In that way the plane will move. After the end, press the left mouse button 2 times so that it will stop moving. Now review. Yes children, in this way we can move the object. With this we have completed the lesson. In the next class we will continue the new chapter.